May AFK yata
Nag-accept po ba?
Ready check nga kung
Ano ba accept yun?
nagano na kayo.
Ikaw nga mag-ready check.
Ikaw mag-ready check.
I-accept nyo yan sa yung button sa east, northeast.
Siyansa mo.
Oh, check the live.
Kung
Check the
ata,
live, guys.
hindi ko ata na-click yan. Hindi ko na-click. Kasi hindi ko
Ako, punta ka doon sa pinakakanan taas.
Yung sa may Albion Journal.
Yung naikot-ikot.
Saan dito?
Wala, nagbag.
Wala talaga.
Saan siya mo?
Ayun,
Saan siya mo?
dali. Ito, okay na ako na.
Ayan, yan.
Ayun, siya na.
May isang
Bagay-
spectator.
Bakit ganito? Player 026.
May
May
spectator.
spectator.
Kasama sila.
Spectator,
Kasama sila. 26, kasama sila.
13 ba tayo?
Hindi sino spectator.
Spectator. Ayan.
Hindi mo meron.
Si
Alvin-
Nilagyan
Alvin TV?
lang ng settings par.
Si meron.
Oh,
Oh,
focus,
game.
focus.
Put check, mount up.
Ay, may mount nga pala dito.
Parang Okay ba?
Kung ina, bawal gamitin yung baboy.
OC, kung mga tired kayo, mag-OC kayo.
Oh.
Nag-uzi ka?
Oo, nag-OC ako.
Doon tayo
Kami yung
mag-OC sa harapan
IP
nila.
Walang 1-3.
Bahala ka.
Sa harapan nila tayo mag-OC.
1260
wala.
na.
Nag-OC
Extra
ako.
yung, extra yung gears ko, usang gala.
Come southeast.
Round round ray.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Taga, sino party leader?
Ako.
Three.
Wait lang. Hold lang muna dito. Marinate muna natin. Mag-widescreen lang ang talaga ako eh. Wait lang.
Yung bangko
Wait lang,
di ko
widescreen lang
magana.
ako.
Bawal pala baboy dito, putik.
Widescreen.
Sino yung si
Ito
Bjorn?
Galaps.
Galing na scout
Wait,
natin.
don't cap.
Game. Come southeast. Baka mabomba kayo over the wall.
Ay, inuuli ako na si Pierre.
Sino nag-scout?
Discounted na si Bjorn.
Bjorn, ba't nandiyan
Sige.
ka? Oh, dismount sa akin.
Wala.
Seryosoy na, please, seryosoy.
Seryosoy natin to ah. Dismount. QNW. Teka,
Marami kang behind ah. Marami kang behind.
Teka, mag-fake ako ah. Imamark ko si Krito. Yan, may shield na mark si Krito. Gawin nating heart. Ayan. Hold. QNW lang. Fake yan. Engage. Real. Magfe-fake ako ah. Fake to. DPS walk in backline. Fake to. Walk in now. On Krito. Find the heart. Krito on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Krito now. Kill Fuzzy. Come southeast now. Ipipil ko kayo. Come southeast. Come SC. Come south. Real engage tong next ha. Spread na. Spread.
Nagkadyan armor.
Spread on the west. Counter on sa akin. Keep walking northwest. Northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Nice hit. And then come back now. Come back now.
May man na siya sa healer.
Come back now. Come back. Hanapin niyo yung crown niyo. Come back. Come back southwest. KNW lang. Come back southwest pa. Come back south. SW pa. Looking na sila. Looking. Hold lang. Come southwest. Come more southwest. Saan si Frazier? Come southwest.
Pamark mo nga.
Come southwest more. Come. Follow. Kay tayo. Bjorn. Huwag niyo payapan magkulam.
Layo. Tsaka si Clipper.
Come. KNW. Nakita ko na si Frazier.
Clamp up sila dito.
KNW lang. Come southwest more. Mag-fake ako. Kay kita tayo mag-engage. Faking. Fake to. Spread. Looking to counter yan ha. Looking to counter. Come more southwest. Looking
Wala,
na.
fake.
Yung next engage yan ha. Krito, get ready. Krito.
I'm ready.
Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sakon ko. Nice engage, boys. Def. Namatay si Clam. Def. Come southwest. Next engage sa akin. Come southwest. Actually, come northeast. Go backline. Come northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Dap niyo yung meron kayo. Come northeast. Let's fake.
Ito na yun.
Let's fake. Come northwest. Regroup. Come NW.
Mana problem.
Mana? Sige, hindi natin Mag-guide kasi kayo. Kahit kayo pag sinabi ko.
Keep ko 30 seconds pa.
Come west. Reset tayo. Go mid map,
30
mid
seconds.
map,
Dave.
mid map. Kaya double lang.
Ay, sino?
Come northwest. Okay, walang damage. Come northwest.
Pegay yun na, para pegay yun.
Rigger bilis. Tagal lang rigger ko. Come northwest. Def kay Migo. Patay si Migo. Mag northwest ka, Migo, pagka buhay mo. Come northwest. Regroup tayo.
Magpalit ako ng Royal Cowl.
Come northwest. NW. Come SW. Come southwest dito. Come southwest. Gago guys, ang tagal natin
Baka niyo mong lakad.
Tagal natin position gago.
Kirby.
Come southwest. Alis kayo sa choke, men.
Second gauge.
Ta. Regroup na ba tayo?
Dito na ako.
Ayan, come northeast now. Kaya NW.
Ikaw ka.
Come east, come southeast. Hanapin nyo yung crown, DPS. Come southeast. Paglakad lang kayo, hinihintay ko kayo. Come southeast. Kay Sao. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kay Sao now. Tangina. DPS. Dash in agad kayo sa backline. Come northeast. Come NE now. Maubusan tayo mana pag tayo. Come northeast. Def. Come northeast. NE. NE now. East now. Go lang. Come southeast. Walk backline. Sa choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me now. Huge man. KNW. Nice boys. Come southeast now. Follow me. Kite tayo. Kite. Bro. Come southeast. Baba ng choke. Baba kayo ng choke. Engaging. Fake. Come southeast more. Sabi ko, baba na ng choke. Baba ng choke. Engaging na sila. Tangina, late na tayo. Regroup. Sprint out kayo, tapos mount up. Patayo.
Go up dito.
Go west yung Lions, go west. Sige. Scatter na, spread na.
Problem natin, bagal natin magkita. Kaya tayo.
Pangatin ng DPS ah.
Huwag na kayo mag-overstay.
Regroup sa ping. Punta kayo, Cam.
Hindi to 20v20 na madaming makakasustain sa'yo saka madaming disrupt.
Dismount sa akin, northwest. Ready kayo sa akin. Hold the choke.
Kami lang dapat ni Bjorn sa harapan.
Hold the choke.
Patay si Bill.
Okay lang.
Si Krito, si Bjorn, si Sony lang tayo kita front, okay? Pag sinabi kong mag-kite. Wala akong pakialam sa KNW.
Parang kung brawler ka.
Come northwest. Hold the choke. KNW lang. Krito, dito ka sa akin. Dito ka sa crown ko. Alis sa choke. Tumataba tayo sa choke for no reason, man. Hold lang. Engage sa tanks with Krito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa tank. And then come northwest. Pull na natin ngayon. Come northwest. Def.
Pigan.
I don't care. Come northwest. Come NW. First year looking. Come NW. Northeast now dito. Engaging east.
Okay, good.
Hilmico. Walk in now. Inside. Walk in now. Inside. Northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. And then KNW now. Brawl a little bit. And then go northwest. Brawl. Come northeast. NE. Good space northeast. Spread. They're engaging. Nice. Counter tayo. Walk in. Healers lang namatay. Come south. DPS. Come south. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bitaw south. Nah, nice route bound. Come northeast. Come southwest actually. Push through sa choke. Push. Come southwest. Engaging. Nag-engage. Nice heals. Come southwest. Heal nyo kami ni Gully. Come south. Sonic, come ba konti ah? Oh, ready na ulit tayo?
Naka-helya
KNW now.
Naman ba? Healers?
KNW, come southwest.
Gilmar, wait lang.
Look nyo yung crown. Gawin yung open world. Parang ang dami natin misposition. QNW kay Harmonic. QNW kay Harmonic. QNW. On side me. On top me. Hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me. On top me. On top me. Kay Harmonic. Kay Harmonic. Delete Harmonic. Delete Harmonic.
Engage now.
Nice, nice, boys. Comes out. Nag-engage, come northeast. Walk. Walk na. Fake. Walk.
Nag-engage na, nag-engage na.
Sige, walang damage. Walk in. Walk in.
5 seconds.
Walk in. Mga DPS. Nakita nyo yung north tayo. North now. In 5. Wait. Come north. 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Kay Ken. Ano, nahilsikan. Sayang, come southeast. Follow nyo ako. Come southeast. Hills kay Clam. Fake. Come northeast. Any. Mag-any kayo. KNW, looking. Nag-engage. Come west now. Northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang laki na ito. Putang ina. Northwest now. Ubusin nyo na. Tapos, come southeast. KNW. Burn nyo lang. Spread. Again, nag-guard dyan ako. Spread. Southeast. Come southeast. Spread out. Heal now. Pat seal. Ready, counter. Southeast. Get ready. Walk now. Southeast. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. On top me. Okay, come southeast more. Patay pala si Guligo lang tayo. Come southeast. Q's on the choke. Silence. Come northeast. Spread. Malaking spread. Def. Patay. Kamis. Sprint east. Kalas kayo. Regears come southeast. Kamis. Spread. Reset. Come southeast. Doon sa long choke kanina. Tara, dismount. Kamis more. Dahil pa natin dead. Tara. Gago, tingnan nyo yung crown, man. Gago ba ako nag-call sa bata, pre? Hanapin nyo yung crown. Seryoso ba kayo? Ganda zerg natin. Follow crown. Saan tayong enjoy. Dismount. Ready? Regroup? G? Oh, spread out. Hug nyo tong wall. Na to. Yan, ganyan mag-spread. Hug nyo yung wall northeast. Yung gitna, hindi madami. Yan, ganyan ang spread. Nice. Ganyan. Come southwest. KNW nyo lahat si Harmonic. Kaya Harmonic lahat ng KNW. Come northeast. Looking si Pros. Kameni. KNW lang. Ayan nyo yung north. KNW southwest. Spread. Yung kaninang spread. Spread lang. Nag-walk-in lang si Frost. Layo sa count. Fake. Layo sa count. Ka-counter tayo. Hold lang. QNW. Hanap kayo ng mga healers. Sa southwest. Looking si Frost. Engage. Def now. Come northeast now. 5. Inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Come southwest. Push through southwest. Habulin nyo si Rui. Come northwest. Si Zoom. Come northwest. Lahat ng DPS kay Ryuhei. Come northwest. Spread. Two na yan. Come northwest.
Two DPS down.
Come northwest. Come NW. Come spread. Look southeast. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Ang lalaki nung clamp, man.
Nasa mga DPS na.
Tangina, hindi nakakit si Guli. Come northwest.
Disrupted. Puro sand, pre.
NW. Real. Come northwest.
Yeah, okay lang.
Supports now. Come NW. QNW. Spread here. Counter tayo in 5. Come. Follow me. On count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown now. Delete this. And then Kamis. Come northeast. Full spread. Spread now. Cares out.
Engage.
Def. Come north, boys. Come north. Spread here. KNW now. Heal ni Kem. Heal kay Clam. Look west here. Look west now. Come west now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Wala. Come northeast. Spread northeast. NE. Safe dito northeast, boys. Sprint. Gamitin nyo yung boots yung pang repo. Come northeast. Stop them. Come northeast. Full spread. Laki ng space sa north. Spread. Naka-mark si Frazier. Kung saan siya lalapit, doon siya mag-engage. Spread. Come south. Looking.
Wala.
Lahat na. Hindi pa. Fake foul lang. Fake. Come south pa. Ka-counter tayo, boys. Fast counter, ah. Hold. DPS layo kayo. DPS load kayo. Def now. Counter now. North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Inside. Counter inside. Ganun na yung plano. Spread lang DPS. Layo kayo sa gitna, DPS. Come spread. Come northwest. Sila na ulit engage. Come NW. NW. Spread. KNW. Spread. Real. No. Fake. Maghihila. Pag naging tao yan. Spread out. That's real. Def. KNW kayom. Southwest kayom. KNW. Tapos tutunayan natin. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Nice. Qs and Ws. Lahat ng healers low. KNW. Kay Rio Hari. Kay Zoom. KNW. Spread. Mamamatay na healer. Patay healers. Full spread now. Huwag tayo paklap. Full spread. Come north now. Kaklap tayo. In 5 seconds. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Finish this. KNW them to death. KNW now. Finish the kills. Kill Frazier. Kill. Come on, nerds. Chain CC now. In 10 seconds. Chain CC. Come north now. Clap natin sila next stroke sa east. East now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Finish Frazier. Ang damage. CC. Come northwest. NW. Sige, okay lang. NW. Hold the choke. KNW now. Spread sa northwest. Looking. KNW now. Fake. Come northeast. Huwag kayo mag-southwest. Northeast. Maluwag. Engage. Come southwest now. Counter southwest in 5. On the choke in 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now southwest. Nice. Come southwest. Push through na. Push through southwest. Lakad. Fake pa yan. Come northwest. Akyat. Def. Come northwest. Under backline east. Walk east downhill. Southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Puro kloti man. So easy man. Come northeast. Come northeast. Come northeast. KNW choke. Come north. East now. Spread. KNW now. Ready. Southeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now.
Pre, Marine RB mo.
Oh my God. Come south. Come northwest. Come NW. Qs now. Disrupt. KNW. Mag-fake ako, kay kita ko tayo mag-engage. Sige, cool down pa. Sige. Hold.
Engage yun, ah.
Yeah. Heal, bro. Heal. Mag-fake ako, fake to. Fake. Krito. Kay Krito, in 5, northwest in 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. Ito.
Nasa east siya.
Ay, sorry.
Come southwest.
Hindi ko nakita ano mo.
Sige, come southwest.
Crown.
May up. Dapat ako yung ear. Come west, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest, come southwest. Ilang seconds, DPS?
Ulim engage na.
Def. 8 seconds,
8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds
Heal
ako, 8
Samu, heal
seconds ako.
Samu. Kain na pa nag-def, wala pa yung heal. Ready, northeast now, counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Ang bagal nga. QNW. Come northeast. Push naman. Push agad. Swap position lang kada clap. Come northeast. Come east now. Come southeast. Def. Come southeast. Yan. Push. Push southeast, boys. Push southeast. Kiss and W. Spread now. Spread the dirt east and south. Spread. KNW now. KNW. Looking. Na. Hold lang. KNW lang. Hold lang. KNW lang. Miko alis sa gitna. I'm gonna drop def.
Engaging.
Def now. Nice, boys.
Heal cam.
Di na heal cam. Hindi on point yung healers din natin. Come northeast. Come any. Come south. SW. Southwest inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now.
Yun, thank you.
Inside now. Come southwest. Nice, boys.
Mama.
Come southwest. Push through. May guardian armor ako. Sige. Come northeast. Stay sa northeast yung iba. Spread. Full spread. Heal kay Leon.
True.
Looking. Def. Come northeast deep. Mga DPS. Lahat ng DPS. Go deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now.
Disrupted.
Ang galing na
Disrupted.
Come south. Come northwest. Come NW. Come SW now. Whew. Wala ng boses. Come southwest. SW, boys.
Going north.
Maglulong way ako.
Bakit kayo dyan nagpunta? Putang ina mga to.
Mali ko.
Tatlo
Balik
pa kayo dyan.
kayo.
Aray ko, nabobo ako.
Good one.
Yes.
Balik kayo sa current guys. Balik.
Lagi, guys.
Balik kayo, Billy.
Yung mga galing ko dapat players kung ano pinagagawa.
Balik tayo.
Yung new, dahil ba kayo ng mga Jovi?
Bakit kasi tayo dyan? Pabalik mas maluwag sa east.
Ang puda nung kayo sa
Ay,
small.
hirap nyo yung...
Bobo ko din ah.
Nakita ko kasi
Ganda niyo nga,
Hansa. Sinamahan ko lang si Hansa.
Nagiging sa amin sa southeast.
Nagiging sa amin na, nagiging sa amin.
Iwan nyo. Mag-northwest kayo lahat, Sony.
Wala akong...
Hill southeast. Libre tayo dito, di ba? Ang kailangan ng tulong. Southeast yung makakaingin ng tulong, man. Come northwest. Andito na sila. Ngayon, move northwest. Gets. May gets nyo ba? Yan, nice.
Yup.
Hindi natin tulong. May nag-call. Nag-engage southeast. Eddie Hill southeast. QNW now sa choke. QNW now. Trickle up.
Healer
Dahan-dahan
spread out.
Push through. Isa-isa lang. Push through, isa-isa lang. DPS, go to their backline. Northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Ah, sayang. Bagal. Come northeast. NE now. Maluwag northeast, man. Come northeast. Def. Nice, goodie. Come west now. Under backline. KNW now. Ilang seconds ka, Guli? Come south. Come south east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my sound. Inside ground. Muntik na. QNW nyo. Come northwest. Spread konti. Magkaka-engage na sila. Spread out. Nasa gitna pa rin tayo, boys. Spread. Layo sa count. Layo sa count.
Ano nag-LC ah?
Layo sa count. Come west. Spread. Take the outer ring. Sige, may guardian armor. Heal now. Oh my God.
Stand ako.
Regroup northwest.
Out northwest.
Regroup northwest. Go northwest lang.
Digpads kayo para makatagos kayo dyan.
Go northwest. Southwest tayo dito.
20 seconds pa ako, gagi.
Tara guys. Kaya niya yan. I believe in you. Come west.
Nagano kami na, mantap.
Kumas guys, kumas.
Tara, iwanan natin pala. Nag-iba pala sila. Run!
Ikot tayo. Dito.
Tura, dismount.
Dito
Sa
na.
isa pa iba. Iba namatay isang...
Okay. Is ano kayo dyan? Mount kayo dyan. Nakamount na kayo southeast.
Nakamount.
Maganda
Ayan.
DPS.
Come
Maganda
northwest.
DPS mo.
1 minute 30. Dismount.
Wala pa si Bjorn tapos si Lewins, ha?
O sige, hold lang dito.
Nakatayo to mga to.
Namatay.
Ganyan yan pagka bag sa, parang sa arena.
Hindi ako mag...
Come northeast, boys. Come northeast. Come any. Walk lang. Walk. KNW lang. Fake lang yan. Fake. Come southeast more. Come southeast more. KNW lang. Come southeast more. Look northwest now. Look northwest. On top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Nice hit. KNW now. Come northwest. The way we came. Lakad. Come northwest. Nag-pull si Force. Magda-transform engage yan. Come northwest. NW. Hug nyo yung walls. Engaging. Def. Come southeast. Inside. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside counter. Come southwest. Come SW. Comes up.
Tapos na.
One more.
Gulimar
One
with
more.
the highest damage. Anong ginagawa niyo?
Swap ka ng
Ano
weapon.
weapon?
Gold.
Pangat ng Infinity.
Pangat ng clap natin.
Putanggal.
Aray ko.
Ano yung
Hindi, pre, malakas
medyo
yung
kakaiba
clap.
natin?
Kulang lang yung, ano.
Magano kayo?
Yung
Try nyo mag 0.2 TPS. Ay,
Yes.
out na ba?
Ba't mag-up?
Wala nag-out.
Pre, ako talaga yung highest damage dun. Hindi pwedeng...
Hindi, nag-brawl ka eh.
Kinulang sa clap.
Na highest damage mo sa brawl par. Kulang yung clap. Nakikita ko
Pre,
din.
lahat tayo naka-brawl. Lahat. Pero,
Hindi, kasi clap talaga dapat yung